Page 29, this is playing jigs, an Irish jig there in the middle of the page. That you can read about jig and you can Google what a jig is. Generally, you're using eighth notes as the beat, and you could be 3, 6, 9, 12 eighth notes in a, you're feeling it that way. You would think they would be triplets. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. They're not. It's eighth notes as a beat, and it's go that way. So this is in 3/8 time with 2-beat pickup. So coming on beat 2, and then a 2, and a 5. So we just changed hand positions. And we're doing it on repeated notes. That's kind of neat. There's other fingerings we could use, but this is good practice. That's a very famous jig melody. The idea is, that's an idea of a jig, and it would be fairly quick, a real quick. It's got to be solid, no hesitations or nothing, or it messes up the dancers, and then they don't like you anymore and all that. At the bottom of the page, they give some interesting time signatures. And as long as you understand how the numbers work, it doesn't matter what the numbers are, you can figure it out. But then they give these words over here to describe these time signatures. And you can go through your whole life and never use these words. I don't know why they're doing it, but they're doing it, so okay, we'll cover it. I never use these words. And you can go through and line those up if you want. I personally never use those terms. I'm not interested in them. You can Google these things if you want. As I said, I don't know if some test has these in them or what's going on here. I've never run across this before. It's new to me. So you can have fun with that. So I can't really help you too much. I'm not going to pretend I understand it. As I said, I've never run across these words, and I don't care to get into it. Somebody thought they were important because they stuck them in here. But other than that, you have to ask your teacher all about these things, or maybe you can Google them and find out what's going on.